Hello. I had to change my radiator. This is the old one from my car. The reason was it broke again. That's normally where it breaks, right here, where the cap is, right there. That's the normally breaks right there, and you can see like it's cracked. So anyway, you gotta put your car on the ramp, and then so that's the new one. I already put it on there. So the way I went around doing it was first put your car on the ramp, go underneath, take this skirt out, and then you have to disconnect the transmission hoses, and also drain the coolant off of your radiator. And then the hard part is taking this electric fan out. I always have problems with this, so the way to do it is disconnect this hose. See, this hose goes over there, that's disconnected right over here. Pull it out, and then what you can do is after you take this out, put it on the side here, and then then loosen all these mounting bolts for this hydraulic radiator, and you will manage. And then you got to also take the mounting, these brackets. You got to take the bracket out so the radiator can be pushed back a little bit. So once you push it back, you can turn this fan like this 90 degrees, and you pull it up and you put it up here. So this hose you don't touch, it's just a flexible hose. So that just comes like this. It's not easy. I mean, you got to be gentle, and it's going to take your time. So after you take this out and just flip it and put it on the engine, then you can take the radiator out. So once you take your radiator out, put the new one in there, and just put your hoses back in there, and then you're good to go. Also on this car, last week I changed the mounting, these shocks. I bought these shocks from the O'Reilly. So it was a little bit of, I took the original ones out, and I changed both of them, and now my hood stays up, which is nice. It's never done that in the last 15 years. The hood would never stay up, but now it's staying up. All right, good luck. Thanks. Bye.